Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to buy meme coins on gate.io crypto exchange. So guys, if you want to buy meme coin on gate.io crypto exchange, the first thing you will do is this. You have to register on the gate.io crypto exchange platform. So guys, you can use my link in the description. Yeah. After your registration, you buy USDT stablecoin. So guys, on the gate.io platform, you will click on spot. When you click on spot, yeah, you will search for meme. Yeah. So guys, these are the meme coins listed on gate.io platform. So guys, you can buy Fluky. You can buy Fluky. You can buy Turbo. Turbo is one of my favorite meme coin. Yeah. You can also watch my video, that is Turbo Coin Crypto Dream. You can watch that on my YouTube channel. So guys, you can buy Shiba Inu. You can also watch my video on how to buy Shiba Inu and my Shiba Inu Crypto Dream. You can buy Pepe. You can buy Dodge. So guys, this is the current price of Dodge. The current price of Dodge is 0.43572 US dollars. So guys, if you want to buy Dodge, you type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy Dodge. So guys, in this video, I'm going to use $10 as an example. So if you want to buy Dogecoin worth of $10, you will get 22.96 Dogecoins. So guys, you can buy bank. Yeah, you can buy bank. You can buy what's the name again? You can buy goat. Yeah, you can buy meme coins on Sui. I believe some of them are going to do well. You know, when Sui blast off, some of those meme coins will do well. So guys, you can check the ranking of meme coins on coin market cap. Dodge is number one in the ranking of meme coins. Yeah, Shiba Inu is number two. You have Pepe, then you have dog with hat. You have bank. You have Fluky. Yeah. So guys, conduct your research before you buy any meme coin. Yeah, conduct your research very well before you buy any meme coin. So guys, on the gate.io platform, yeah, you can also buy pre-market. Yeah, these are some of the coins listed on the pre-market. Yeah, you can also watch my video on how to buy coins listed on gate.io pre-market and bitget exchange pre-market. So guys, you have Bloom, you have Cat Gold, you have Toma, you have Old. Yeah, if you're buying this pre-market, yeah, this is like a spot, like a spot trade pre-market. Yeah, so you can buy when it's low and you can sell when it's high. So I have some Bloom already. Yeah, so I can sell when it's high. If I'm selling my Bloom, I will have like $19. So I have some Bloom already. Yeah. If you're buying pre-market OTC, these are the coins listed on the gate.io pre-market OTC. You have Free Dog, you have Move, you have Hype, you have Old Coin, and you have different coins listed here. So guys, you can get into some of these projects, yeah, before they list them on crypto exchange, but I prefer the pre-market, that is like the spot trade pre-market, because when it is high I can sell, when it is low, yeah, I can buy again. Compared to the pre-market OTC, the OTC you have to wait until they launch the project. Yeah, so guys, this is how to buy meme coins on gate.io crypto exchange. If you like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.